Hello, welcome to my channel. In this channel, I teach different aspects of English, such as grammar, punctuation, and speech sounds. This video is part 2 of the series, The Speech Sounds of English, and our focus in this video is on the long vowel, E. This video will help you to improve your pronunciation. To also help candidates sitting for UTME, SSCE, and similar examinations to correctly answer questions that test aspects of oral English. Let's begin by answering the past questions below. The first one is UTME question of 2016. The instruction is this. For these questions, choose the options that have the same vowel sound as the ones represented by the letters underlined. Reprieve. The options are rich, police, queer, and probity. From the transcriptions of reprieve below, we see that the underlined letters represent the long vowel E. So, which of the given options has this same long vowel? By transcribing the options, we can see this. The correct answer is B. Police is the only option that has the long vowel E. Let's look at our second question. This is SSCE 2023. And the instruction is, from the words lettered A to D, choose the word that has the same vowel sound as the one represented by the letters underlined. Sheath. And the options are heart, meadow, beach, weather. From the transcriptions below, option C is the correct answer. There are other UTME and SSC past questions at the end of this video to test your understanding of this topic. Now, from the answers to the questions above, there are 3 key points you need to keep in mind when answering questions that test your understanding of the speech sounds of English in your examinations. The first is a clear understanding of the spelling symbols of each speech sound. Then you need to know examples of ways in which a particular speech sound occurs, and also the phonetic transcription of such words. Let's begin by clarifying what is meant by spelling symbols of sounds. Spelling symbols are letters of the alphabet that are used to represent particular speech sounds in words. Each of the 44 speech sounds has letters of the alphabet or a combination of letters of the alphabet that represent it in words where they occur. For example, the long vowel E is represented by the letter E in the word media. You see it clearly in the transcription below. So, the letter E is a spelling symbol of the sound E. The sound E is also represented by a combination of the letters E and A in the words bead and seed. Again, you see this clearly in the transcription of the words below. So the letters EA are spelling symbols of the sound E. Below are the spelling symbols of the sound E and examples of words in which they occur, including the phonetic transcription of such words. The spelling symbols are underlined in all the words. The sound E is also underlined in all the transcriptions. 1. The letter E, as in Peter, these, cedar, kerosene, neonatal, not neonatal care, neonatal care, decoy, obese, mediocre, not mediocre, vehicle, not vehicle, veto, not veto, convene. Another spelling symbol is EA, as in beach, sit, trade, based, laced, league, shave, pace, craze, release, tease, leech, feast, beans, not beans, teacher, creature, scream, cheap. Another spelling symbol is EE, as in sheep, free, flee, seam, meat, cheek, three, weak, feet, cheetah, sheet. Then we have EI as spelling symbol, and it is seen in words like seize, sailing, receive, deceive, receipt, not receipt. P in that word is silent. Conceit, perceive. EO as in people. EY as in key. I as in police. Margarine, machine, cliche. Pizza, not pizza. Vaccine, critique. UAY as in key, keys, quayside. The spelling symbol is EI as in chief, thief, field, relieve, relief, grieve, grief, believe, believe, achieve, knees, peace, shield, brief, reprieve. Now let's answer some past questions. The first one here is the UTME question of 2015. Choose the word that has the same sound as represented by the letters underlined in the given word. You have flee as the word, then options are read, field, faith, shake. From the transcriptions of the words below, the correct option is B, which is field. The next question is UTME 2011. In each of questions 92 to 94, choose the option that has the same vowel sound as the one represented by the letters underlined. Leech. We have options here: gear, cedar, chair, death. In fact, I suggest that you pause the video and attempt to answer the questions. So which is the correct option here? It's B, of course, which is cedar. The next is SSA question of 2021. From the words lettered A to D, choose the word that has the same vowel sound as the one represented by the letters underlined. The word here is chief. And the options are dead, feast, fine, chin. From the transcriptions of the words as shown below, option B is the correct answer. And the last one is 2019 SSCE. From the words lettered A to D, choose the word that has the same vowel sound as the one represented by the letters underlined. The word is league. We have dead, critique, willing, fit. From the transcriptions of the words as shown below, option B is the correct answer. Thank you for watching. My name is Emmanuel Semidafi. Please subscribe to my channel and click the notification bell to get an alert when I post a new video. Please like and share this video. The next video is titled The Speech Sounds of English Part 3, the short vowel. See you in the next class.